Okay, he says he actually hit it that last shot. I need to see this.
Where I hit there, I don't know.
Oh yeah, you did, man. You skinned it. You fucking skinned it. That doesn't count though. It does, but I want to see like, because that could go both ways. Nobody will know if you actually hit it. I mean, that's not like, if the thing falls down after you shoot.
It's still pretty damn close. Ready?
Mm-hmm. That's a no-scope. That was a no-scope right there, man. Where do you think you hit? The pop can? Or the...
No, it wasn't. Yeah.
Probably the pop can.
That pop can? How do you tell?
Yeah. Alright, well whatever. That's the proof I was looking for.